Mental illness can have a huge impact on the person experiencing it, but also the people that love them. If you're worried about a loved one's mental health and are keen for them to find treatment, it can be devastating if they don't want to get the help that would improve their quality of life. They may be in denial, or they may accept that they could be ill but refuse to seek help. So can you force someone to get help with their mental health? In the UK, people have the right to refuse treatment, both for physical and mental illness. It doesn't matter if the mental health issues are relatively new or if they have been there for years. You cannot force somebody to seek treatment for mental health unless they are eligible for sectioning. Sectioning is when a person is detained in a mental health facility. This is a lawful detainment under the Mental Health Act 1983. To be sectioned, the person must either have mental health problems so severe that they need urgent treatment, or be in immediate danger to themselves or others. If you think your loved one might be eligible for sectioning, you need to alert social services, who will arrange an assessment by mental health professionals. If you are not directly involved in their care, you'll need to alert someone who is, such as their GP. Sectioning is an extreme measure. If your loved one does not qualify for sectioning, there are still things you can do to support them to feel ready to seek help. Often people need time, as well as the confidence to talk openly about what they are struggling with. Effective ways you can support somebody with their mental health include: respect their illness. It's essential that you understand and accept that your loved one is not choosing to feel the way that they do. They are ill. Yes, they are choosing to refuse help, but there may be factors that limit this choice for them and make it feel like an impossible mountain to climb. Respect that their illness is driving their behaviours, even if those behaviours seem absurd or damaging. Getting angry with them or trying to fix them yourself can actually make things worse. Learning more about what they are going through. In order to really understand what your loved one is experiencing and why they don't want professional help, it's really good to learn as much as you can about their illness. If you aren't sure what condition they might have, research could give you more insight, as well as an understanding of supporting people with mental health issues in general. Some mental health charities and organisations have resources for friends, families and carers. These can include leaflets, videos and advice to help you support your loved one and to cope yourself. Talk and listen. Many treatments for mental health issues involve talking therapy. One of the best things to do to help somebody feel ready for this is to encourage your loved one to talk about what they are experiencing, without judgment and at their own pace. Also, be honest about how it affects you, without putting blame or pressure upon them. They need to know they are worthy of treatment, but also it is not only them that the illness is affecting. You can find links to resources and helplines on our advice article, Can You Force Someone to Get Help with Their Mental Health? homecare.co.uk is the UK's leading review site for home care. With over 10,000 home care providers listed and 30,000 reviews published, it's the perfect place to start your search. For more help and advice related to home care, visit homecare.co.uk/advice.